Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use the preview application to take screenshots on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the built-in application preview. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, search for preview, or if we see on screen, just click it. Now go to File, Take Screenshot. From Selection, Window, Entire Screen. We will click on all three for this tutorial. Let's start with From Selection. So this allows us to pick a selection with the arrow cursor mouse. And there we have a square selection of our screen. If we go to File, Save, or Command S to save, we can now save this to the desktop. Let's just change this to image 1. Done. Quit this. Now go back to File, take screenshot from Window. And as we can see, everything on the desktop will be involved in the screenshot, not the toolbar. Let's just press Enter. And so there we go. The toolbar on top is not available within this screenshot. Let's just save as image 2. Take image 1 from the first image. Go File, Save, Command V to paste image 2 to the desktop. Let's quit image 2, go back to File, take screenshot from entire screen. And so what differentiates this screenshot from the second one is everything in the frame will be a screenshot. There we go. And so go back to File, Save, image 3, Command V. And so quick preview. And now let's open up all the images, highlights, open with, preview. And there we have the first image, the second image, and the third image. And so we can quit preview again. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.